Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing and a first look about the QSP Penguin. This will be let's say another series of knives that I recently had the chance to acquire, and maybe if you know my channel, some time ago I did make a video about my first QSP, and it was the Pelican, which is really nice. So mid higher end Chinese made flipper with S35VN. So now I'm looking at the, let's say, value side of the offerings from QSP, but they will be really nice knives that feature Micarta handle scales. So let me quickly give you the information. So we are talking about the D2 blade 10 Micarta handle, the QS139130J. This is nice to have. QSP will give you a nice card with the model number, specifications, what kind of steel you have, and handle options. Okay, but I will be talking about that in a minute. So inside the box you have few foam inserts and nice baggie with the knife itself. Nothing special, but really a nice and clean presentation. In my opinion, the knife will arrive nicely and protected. So the QS130 comes in different varieties of handle scales. So you have your standard colors of G10, Micarta, and also copper. There should be also a titanium version, but I don't know if they are available at this time or not. Okay, so let me give you the specifications. So we have an over length of 180 millimeters, or 18 centimeters, that is 7.06 inches. The blade length is 7.8 centimeters or 3.06 inches. The handle length is 10.2 centimeters or 4 inches. The blade width is 2 centimeters or 0.8 inches. The blade thickness is 2.8 millimeters or 0.1 inch. The handle thickness is 1.2 centimeters or 0.47 inches. Materials used on this knife: the blade is made out of D2 with a satin, so I would say grinder satin finish. I hope this comes nicely through the video. Looks like almost some type of hand wrapped finish on the flats, and then just your satin finishing on the grind. So we have a partial full flat grind on this one, like I mentioned, D2. The handle scales on this model are made out of brown canvas micarta. We have not skeletonized stainless steel liners. It is a liner construction with a standoff construction. This is fully see-through, so you can blow out any kind of grime and dirt or lint that is developed while you are using it. Actually, this one is really nice. It rides on probably, I would say, copper washers. Yes, it's here, copper washers. And you have really good purchase on the thumb stud. Nice cutout here to put your meat of your finger right there. So if you like, you can also preload it and open it with a higher force than usual, but definitely not necessary. it didn't open nicely. On the blade we have the QSP logo on one side and the D2 blade steel on the other one. The pocket clip is really nice and deep carry, so I will show you the pocket profile in a minute. So we have a true deep carry, and rejoice lefties, you will have the possibility to mount it on the other side. They will give you even 2 screws extra, so maybe if you strip one of them, then you will still have 2 more to go. So a really nice touch of details from QSP. Also, you have really large hole for your lanyard. If you're a lanyard guy, then you could thread through this everything from leather to paracord easily. Nice cutout for your liner lock, so the disengaging is really pleasant. Overall, a really thought out utility EDC knife. The weight comes in 92.7 grams or 3.3 ounces. I would say if they skeletonize the liners, they could save a little bit more, but yeah, it is what it is. Not everybody does this, and it's perfectly fine. Okay, so let me show you the pocket profile. So yeah, it is truly deep carry. The knife will disappear in your pocket. Okay, so the options, you have a really wide range of colors of G10 and Micarta, and also, like I mentioned, there is a copper version, and there should be also a titanium version, so you can choose whatever you like, whatever material you prefer. I saw recently also a denim Micarta version, so maybe I will pick that one up if I can. So now let's continue with the size comparisons with other knives, and also let me talk about few options you can choose from. But before I start, let me talk a little bit about pricing. So the MSRP I looked around was around $39.95. So the street price should be around 32 and 66 cents. Yes, this is subject to change, of course, depending on your preferred retailer, but this is well under $40, so really nice option out there. The one that comes in my mind, really similar for a reputable, really nice company, is of course CVV, which is a sister company of V Knives, and their model Elementum, which is probably the same size, different blade shape. So on this one we have a nice Sheepsfoot. Here's a beautiful drop point. This is a flipper. This is a thumb stud opening. So yeah, I would suggest if you hadn't have the chance to check out the CV Elementum, then I strongly suggest check out one out. You will probably like it. It is really nicely made. D2 blade steel. Also the probably almost same variant of Micarta. This is blasted, so it is a little bit rough. This is a little bit smoother. And then of course, let's say I try to mention the Tuna Fire or Free Tiger or Kesivo model 956, which I previewed recently in here on my channel. So this is a under $20 knife, has all the same materials, so D2 stone wash, which is in my opinion a little bit better than these satin surface finishes. It is up to you which one you like more. I would say if you are looking for something to be your designated beater or EDC knife, then stone wash on with the D2 blade is a little bit better to prevent corrosion, but then of course you can always use some kind of corrosion protection like EDCI. The blade will be perfectly safe. So half the price with the same materials. All three are made in China. Okay, so now let us continue with other known knives. So here is my Kaiser pinch, which I call this knife with my Chinese micarta. And here is another CVV, the rustic gent. Hopefully I can pick up in the future the Appalachian Drifter, which is a non-locking version of this design. Sorry about that. Also, if you are looking for a more modern traditional knife, then the rustic gent is beautifully made knife, and it comes with a nice leather pouch with a pocket clip. Okay, let us continue with the two knives Cebu. Let's put in my first QSP, the Pelican. These are much larger knives, of course. Let me take out something more comparable in size. Let's say well-known and beloved design, the Red Model 2 from Ontario Knife Company. Here's the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter, excellent EDC, lightweight. And of course I have to put one Delica from Spyderco, and also the small Reptilian from Benchmade. These are staples of the EDC from knife community and history of EDC knives in the modern times. Well-known designs. You will probably have the chance to pick up one in your lifetime if you are looking on knife related videos. So these are well-known and beloved knives, and will stay here for probably a couple of decades. Okay, so let's compare it with the Kershaw Blur. Here is the Buck Vintage Select Small, Kershaw Leak, excellent design from Canonian, a master bladesmith, knife maker. Here is the Kubi Eris, another well-made Chinese company, highly recommended. My Bucksprint Pro, 940 from Benchmade, and Rough Rider Peanut. And also for good measure, let's end it with the Buck Toothpick. Okay, so I would say, in my opinion, the QSP Penguin is a really nice EDC. Has that functional sheepsfoot blade that just begs to be used for EDC cutting chores, breaking up boxes and cutting stuff, opening packages and so on. So definitely you will be not disappointed if you are looking for a well-made knife and want to support a really good company, which in my opinion QSP is, because it will give you good value for your money. then of course you can check out also different color variants and different materials. So if you're looking for something, let's say in a red color, they have also a red Micarta, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. I always appreciate my subscribers. And if you are not, then please consider subscribe. You can check out also my other playlists. So if you are looking for, let's say, knives under $30, then there is a playlist for that. You can also find videos nicely organized under the brand names. So it's up to you. With that said, I would like to wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon.